If you want to read more but never seem to find the time, the Headway app might be your shortcut. It condenses best-selling nonfiction books into quick summaries, mostly under 15 minutes, and delivers them in text or audio. The layout is simple. You can browse by category, check daily recommendations, and follow themed learning paths like leadership, productivity, or finance. Now, each summary breaks the book down into bite-sized ideas, making it easy to grasp, the main takeaways fast. Now, one standout feature is the ability to track progress and build a reading habit. The app nudges you with streaks, reminders, and achievement badges. So it leans into gamification without feeling pushy. You can also highlight key points and revisit them later, which helps you if you're using the app more as a study tool. And since all summaries are written and recorded in-house, the tone stays consistent across the library. Headway isn't meant to replace full books. It's more of a tool to explore new ideas, preview books before reading, or to revisit key lessons. It's ideal for busy professionals or anyone who wants to grow on the go. So, do you want us to compare Headway with Blinkist or Shortform? Drop a comment below and we'll break it down. See you in the next one.